I have to do blood sacrifice rituals. They probably were watching me the whole time. Then I asked him, are you gonna make Chris Brown my handler? I feel like I brought this upon myself, you guys. I feel like I brought it upon myself. I brought it upon myself. I think so.
I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I just gotta say.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cash, like money. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, this is not clickbait. This is not clickbait. This for real happened. It's not clickbait for real. But before we get into the video, if you guys could please smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Okay, so pretty much the Illuminati contacted me and wanted me to join the Illuminati. However, disclaimer, I have a very sarcastic, kind of asshole-y type personality and sense of humor. So if you do not relate to that, or you're gonna get easily offended, then you can just click off right now, because I'm totally an asshole in this situation. Story time. So going forward, if you want to hear what happened when I got approached to join the dark forces of the world, the secret society, the new world order, the Illuminati, they probably were watching me the whole time. I wonder for how long they've been watching me. How long have they been wanting to recruit me? I don't know. I don't have the answer. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna read you, I'm gonna show you the messages on the screen here, and I'm gonna read them to you. Illuminati wrote me. Okay, so his message goes:
this is an open invitation for you to become part of the world's biggest conglomerate and reach the peak of your career as we begin this year's recruitment programming, and our annual Feast of Harvest is almost at hand. Do you agree to be a member of this Illuminati New World Order? DM me immediately or message me, the Grandmaster, on WhatsApp.
Okay, right here, red flags. You guys have WhatsApp and you're the Illuminati. That just doesn't add up. This was my response. I am such an asshole, so just forgive me, okay? So Cash says, yes, I'm willing to sacrifice all my family members. What the fuck took y'all so long? Damn. He said,
what's your name and where?
I said my name and I said Wisconsin. He said,
okay, how old are you and what do you do for a living?
I said I'm a 28-year-old YouTuber.
He said, okay.
I said, when can I start? Where do I sign up? When can I start? Do you have the paperwork? No, I just said when can I start?
How serious are you about joining the organization and achieving your desired dreams and goals in life?
Then my asshole ass said, listen, at this point I already know he's fake. He gave me a WhatsApp. Come on guys, he gave me a WhatsApp. Do you think this is really the Illuminati? I don't know. Maybe it is, but maybe the Illuminati don't have WhatsApp. I don't know. Alright, so he said, are you serious? And this was my little response. I said, if I sacrifice my mama, can I be a billionaire on Forbes list? Because inquiring minds would like to know. I'm trying to be up there with Kylie. Then I said, do I have to do blood sacrifice rituals? Do y'all really meet at Bohemian Grove? I got questions. He just said,
yes.
Then I asked him, are you gonna make Chris Brown my handler? And then he said,
but you don't have to sacrifice anyone. It all depends how loyal you are towards the organization.
I said, well, y'all can have her. I want to sacrifice them. I want to sacrifice them my whole life. He said,
why do you want to sacrifice them?
I said, for power and fame. The more blood I spill, the more power you get. That's what I thought. I'm ready to spill blood. I have to get close to Chris Brown. You feel me?
He said, okay, send me your number and WhatsApp.
And I said, Chris Brown's mom already follows me on Instagram, so I'm close as fuck. I'm close. I'm so close. I'm so close. He said, and WhatsApp number. And I said, I don't have a WhatsApp number. He said, okay, send me your number and email. And then I said, I didn't send him none of my information. I swear to God, I didn't send him none of my information, but I was just playing along. And I said, okay, here's my email. But if you're the Illuminati and you're all secret society and shit, shouldn't you have ways of getting it already? How do I know you're not Illuminati catfish? I'm trying to be the next Kardashians. Don't play with me, Mr. Bumfinet. As above, so below. Mr. Crowley. I know it all. I know it. I know it all. I've been waiting to be initiated since I was 10 years old. Then he said,
if you do not believe in this, simply quit.
And then I just stopped messaging him. They really tried to fucking recruit me. Or not, I don't know. I didn't message the WhatsApp, but I'm gonna keep it in my DMs just in case, you know, I ever go broke and I kinda, you know, want to join the Brotherhood or something. I'm just playing, y'all. I would never join the Illuminati. I'm too woke for that. I'm too enlightened for that. But I do notice that the most woke and enlightened people are the ones that they do come after. But I ain't trying to die. I'm not trying. They would try to kill me because I loose lips sink ships and I cannot hold water for nothing. Like, you see all the stuff I already be telling all of y'all, and on all my social media I put everything out there. So I would be like getting, if I was in Illuminati, bitch, I would have Illuminati merch. I would have Illuminati color scheme on my Instagram. I would probably get like Illuminati tattoos and shit. Like, I could not hold secrets. I can't be part of no secret society. I'll tell everything. Like, you will all know it all. You would know it all. Ain't no, it wouldn't be no secret. It would just be a society after me. It would just be a society. Because, like, I would tell all their secrets. They don't want me. I don't think they really want me. That was my story time. I don't think I have anything else to say so far. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be part of the glam fam. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. And as always, guys, remember to fly first. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Check out the highlight though. Ooh, looking like a glazed donut. All right, guys.